top right, and there you go. You add yourself as end screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add end screen to your videos. So let's just start it. Let's go to here. Alright, so in this case, I'm going to import, not import the playlist. This is a bit tricky. Well, so I have it. There it is. Sometimes you don't have it, the ones you want. You have to type it in. Then you just, alright. If you want to sort it out, you can do this. So just 5 seconds. Then you can move it around. Move it right there. You can enlarge it, so it's more noticeable. And then you do is hit save on the top right. And there you go. You added yourself as end screen. If you like this video, smash the like button, and that is all.